O katahimik ka muna. Hello guys, good morning. Ito ang aming breakfast. Yan guys, oh. Burger with cheese, with coffee. Yan guys, mamahaw pa guys, ang breakfast guys. Yummy guys, yummy, yummy. Ayan, late na ang aming, malapit ng alas 12. Yummy! Ayan guys. Oh. Ayan. Coffee with milk. Yan, thank you for watching.